Great.
Hey, New Jersey team. This is the assembly for 260-6613, the 2-inch or 1 3/4 inch decrease redesign of the situation that's going on that you're all well aware of. So first of all, we're going to grab the inner body itself, pre-break all the scores. We're going to fold it over. We're going to roll over the top in first, like so. And then we're going to get the base. It's the base shelf combo. We're going to pre-break all the scores. We're going to line up the tabs with the slots. Make sure it locks in. Bring these in, go up. And we're going to lock the sides in. Okay, then make sure that these ears are tucked down so we can roll this over and then lock that in. And I'm just going to stand it up. That just goes like that. And there's simple shelves. We break all these, reverse 90. These ones are regular 90s. And bring it in. I like to lock it to the back first. And then these ears have little notches that should fall within the slot itself. Then we'll lock that together, and then it is a repeat for 2 more times. Again, I probably would have went with a slightly different design if this was a heavy material, but this is light box product, except this bottom shelf, which is stronger anyways, that's holding cough drops. Just like this, and this is back. Okay. Now for a second, I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to locate the main body wrap, which is this big monstrosity. And what I'm going to do is take the top and bottom covers. They can go this way, that way, you know, doesn't make a difference. They're universal. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to start to get the bottom in. Get that all locked in. I like to bring the sides up too, lock that in. We'll go like that. Then I'm just going to spin it around. Put the top section on, doing the same exact, repeating the same exact steps. Okay, now that we have that done, I'll spin it back around. And this is where it gets a little trickier. I'm probably going to turn it this way. Am I still in view? Okay. So I'm probably going to turn it this way just so you all can see. And this is where we're going to get the inner shelves back. And we're going to drop it into place. So we're going to start getting that squared away like that. All right. Then I like to start locking down the front lips. And these front lips have little tabs that lock into the shelf, just a little more support so it doesn't pull out. So we'll do that. Then we'll lock it into here. All right. Now, these tabs on this side against the wall, I need to get at to open up. So I'll show you how I do that and how I had DXL do that. So first I'm gonna fold the ears back so I can lock them into the slots. Like so. There's little finger holes to help too. do this side. Then this is what I was talking about, where I want to get at these ears right here. I want to make sure these are opened up and flat, so when they push in, it's nice and flush. Doesn't cause any problems when locking this into the back panel. So now that I have all those like that, and these kind of should line up with these slots. Obviously this one isn't going to hit one, so when we lock into the back. So then I'm going to locate and lock together the inner shelf filler, which is this piece right here. This is the top, so this is going to go in. Let's see here, like so. I usually do this when it's laying down, but I'm going to do it like this so you all can get a better view, hopefully. This top flap's gonna get in the way. That's why I like doing it when it's laying down. You know what? At this point, you can see what I'm doing, so I'm gonna lay it down. It's just easier to get in when it's laying down. So it ends up going like this. All right. And then you locate the back panel. Doesn't matter if it's this way or that way. It just matters, you know, that your scores are ready to go and able to lock it in. So what I like to do on the back panel itself, I just start to get it all tucked in, like so. And I'll start on one side, and there should be spaces cut out, notched out on the inner filler. So now we have it looking like that, so we'll go and do this side. Make sure that this is tucked in. This side in. That side in. Okay. Now since we're down here, we're just gonna start locking these in. Use the finger holes to help you. Then we're going to start locking those in. And I always like going in here and opening up these ears if I can. There's one that goes in that side. And then we'll put our shipping fillers, our platforms in here. Then the product and then the shipping fillers. And that's all there is to it.